Hi, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl J, and I'm back with another life hack, back with another DIY hack. So basically today I'm going to be using a body butter container and a hair product container, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them into jewelry boxes or accessory boxes, which you can use at home. So here you're gonna see me applying the glitter onto the green one. So basically we'll be making two. So I'm slowly stroking it, as you guys can. Okay guys, so with this it does take time. I am not painting, I'm not applying the glitter glue adhesive to let's say around the screw rim on top of the container, because basically it will come out if you decide to paint there with the glitter. It also, would messy when you, let's say, screwing and unscrewing the top of the cover. So please do not apply the glitter glue adhesive to that area. So some of the items that I do have in this video, I would have gotten them from this glitter glue adhesive was from basically your stationery store. Let's see, the fake gem is going to be used, and I got that from an old piece of clothing which I'm basically reusing on this, so you guys can actually find things at home to do this. No, I'm not applying any glue to this simply because this is already a glitter glue. So basically it works on plastic and metal to hold stuff together. So I basically would not be using any additional glue to apply it. So I'm applying it while it is basically still sort of wet, but sort of kind of half dry to an extent. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is that I'm going to go ahead and apply this sort of butterfly accessory sticker. I also would have gotten that at a stationery store. You guys can get this probably at any stationery store basically. Yes, I went ahead and pinned the body butter container, as you can see, in gold, and now I am painting the cover of it. Be sure to try as much as to cover as much as possible and get as much areas as possible. So I want you guys to use different colors, because this is basically the colors I have available now. Others basically would have finished. So guys, instead of throwing away, we are in quarantine, some of us are on lockdown and unable to, okay, so now I'm applying more gems to this one. I'm actually liking this one. It's actually better than the first. So make sure that you take your time and you apply this everywhere. Now here goes the sort of challenging part because I don't really have used to place the gems, but I'll try to put my hand and do that to the best of my ability. This is the outcome of the gold jewelry box. So you guys can basically use this to put, let's say, your watches, your bracelets and your rings. Then we have this one. Alright, you guys may not have seen me done this, but what I did do is that I basically washed out these items before on the inside I cleaned them out. So what you can do is that even though you don't want to put your jewelry, let's say you get floss, let's say in the packets like this, you can put them inside here. It makes them more safer. You can also, let's say your cotton pads, you can also put them inside here basically. So I do hope that you guys really enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more beautiful ideas and accessories. Bye guys.